Oh, jeez.
All right, now I'm ready. What is that name? Bailey, what did you pick?
That's where we're going now. That's how little I know. I like the shape of the Bronco.
You like the Bronco. What's going on, guys? We are back with another From the Gallery episode. Today, we've got our very own Florida man, Remy, here from our Florida office. We're going to go through some vehicles from our gallery of over 115,000 vehicles at this point.
Big number. Huge
Big number. So, you've never been on this. Have you watched one of these before?
No, I did not watch the last one.
So you edit most of our videos and make all our thumbnails, but you've never seen one of these? So basically what we're gonna do, we have some pre-selected vehicles from the gallery. I haven't seen them, you haven't seen them. We'll go through what's done to them, look at them, rate them on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best.
Gotcha.
What is your truck background? You're big truck guy?
No, not at all. My dad had a truck. I don't even remember what it was.
Perfect, so you're gonna have great opinion. I can't wait to get started.
Exactly.
All right. First vehicle, we have Jaden Shepard's 2024 Ram 2500. We've got a 8-inch BDS, 26 by 14 American Forces on 35, 50.5-inch Furies. No trimming, no rubbing, not a whole lot of details on this one. I feel like this is a daily driver in Florida. Is that accurate?
No, I wouldn't go that far. Not 8 inches, I wouldn't say. 8 inches is not daily, but like 4, 6 inches, yeah, all the time.
Okay. What do we got here? So it's 4-link kit, we got some powder coat, some blue going on here. Doesn't look like we have a whole lot of pictures to go off of. This might be a gasser, or he just doesn't have a giant tip on it. So we got a lot of color match, you know, taillights, emblems, bumper, everything's color match, painted, mirrors, grill, a lot of white going on there. Just not a lot of pictures to go off of. Have you seen enough? You want to look at anything closer? You think you can rate this out of 10?
Let me see. So, I mean, I like the wheel. I think the wheel is pretty dope. I'm a big fan of that look.
You're saying that, like the big wheel, little tire?
No, like the actual, like the wheel design.
Like the style?
Yeah, the
okay,
style.
the snowflake style.
Yeah, the snowflake style is awesome.
Hell
it's really
yeah.
dope.
I'm with you on that.
The 8-inch lift, I'm not that crazy about. I need like, you know, a little bit lower. I think it's just too high, just like monster truck. And the offset's cool. I usually don't like it if the offset is like too crazy. And it's like you're taking up 2 lanes on the road. You're not actually, but that's what it feels like if I'm driving next to one. I'm like, oh, this dude's crazy. But I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. I don't really care for the all white as well. But
honestly, same I was gonna give it. You know, it's a clean truck. I hate fixed steps.
Oh,
that drives me absolutely insane.
How do you know it's
right
fixed?
There. It's in the same position in every picture.
Can they just like leave it out, or?
I mean, I guess you could, but
no, you probably right.
That looks like stock step for me.
Right.
I'm gonna go with my gut on this one. I think that's a stock step. It's clean. It's a good start to our journey here. All right, you ready for the next one?
Ready.
We got, what is that name? Mud Digger Off-Road 2021 Ford Bronco. So it's got a custom built suspension, greater than 12 inches, 2616 kg1 forged, and 42-inch Furies. All right. We got a whole paragraph here. Custom one-off 4-link lift with overlays, solid axle conversion, F350 steering conversion. This is the definition of everything is done. If I lived where you live, this is what I'm driving every day.
This is your daily driver.
This is what I'm driving every day. It probably won't get anywhere because it's a Bronco and it's got like a 2-liter 4-cylinder in it, but a lot of creativity here. I mean, this is A for effort on this thing. I dig it. What are your thoughts?
First thing, KG1 forged, hella money. Expensive, you got a ton of bread, I respect it. You know, the lift is it's insane. I don't know when you're driving this, like aside from like a show. I do like the wheel is nice. I like the Bronco, I like the shape of the Bronco. That's where we're going now, but that's how little I know. I like the shape of the Bronco.
You like the Bronco.
I think the digital camo, I'm not gonna lie, it's corny. It looks like a skin in like Call of Duty. Like if you got like Modern Warfare 2, it looks like the first camo you got in the gun.
All right.
So I'm not too crazy about that, but I mean, I can respect because you're right, everything is here and like we saw the run-on sentence. So for my personal taste, I'm also giving it a 6 out of 10. The camo in the lift is just insane. The lift is just too much.
I absolutely despise the new Bronco. Like, nothing good about that vehicle, in my personal opinion.
Gotcha.
And there's things that are odd to me, the way the bumpers don't match the camo wrap.
A good point. That's a good point.
The stock grille, stock headlights, stock taillights, stock interior. Like, take this off, put on like a 70s Bronco or something, and it'd be sick. Yeah, not my style, but I give it an 8 just purely out of respect.
Yeah, I didn't even notice that the bumper was different. Like, that's why they pay you the big bucks. See, his eye is better than mine.
I like that. I should start getting the big bucks. All right, you ready for the next
You
one?
just close the next one.
All right, we've got Track This Tundra's 2016 Toyota Tundra two-wheel drive. I didn't even know they made these things in two-wheel drive. Bulletproof suspension greater than 12 inches, 22 by 12 fuel assault, 40-inch Nitto mud grapplers. We got a custom grille, rock lights, color matched vinyl. I don't know what that means. Must be stickers. Axle dump exhaust, spider headlights, taillights. Fuel assaults are always polarizing to me. It reminds me of 2015 very much, but so does every Toyota I see because they haven't changed anything in 30 years. Bulletproof kit, you know, if this was built back in 2016, good kit. There's nothing crazy, you know, other than the weird lights behind the grill here.
Yeah.
It's like a weird
RGB with
yeah,
like PC.
It literally looks exactly like a PC right there. Like even the font and everything. I don't know if that's what he's going for. If this truck was built 10 years ago, all right. If it was built recently, I have some concerns.
Okay, so I mean, for me at least, right? The fuel assaults, I'm kind of with you. Like, not that I know about what the scene was like in 2016 or anything, but in Florida, this is
you're
like
probably like an
you see
elementary
these
school
all
girl.
the time. Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
You see these all the time. Like fuel assaults are all over the place. Like even I know it. So I'm like, okay.
Does Bill have them? You can tell us.
No, Bill
doesn't have fuel assaults?
No, I was like, I don't think he does. Yeah, no, he doesn't have fuel assaults. But very common. I don't know. I wish he stepped outside the box. And then same with the all black. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's clean. You can't really go wrong with all black. Some powder coating would have been nice just for like a little bit of detail. The RGB grille, you know, that's interesting. I wouldn't have gone for it, but I mean, I would give this one a 7 out of 10.
7?
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, I like the Toyota shape, don't get me wrong. I really like the old, you know, like the small vintage Toyotas?
Sure.
I love that look so much. My old coworker used to have one of those.
Like an old T100, old Tacomas. Yeah. I mean, I guess I'll give this one a 6. It is clean. It's well done. It's just, to me, it's outdated, and I am not a Toyota fan in the least. So, it is what it is. All right, what do we got next? All right, we got, I'm not even gonna, can you pronounce that?
No.
We got a 21 Ford F350. You just put that on the bottom of the screen or something. Let
Just
people try
screenshot
and,
it.
people can try and pronounce that on their own. Lifted greater than 12 inches. Not judging by that picture. What do we got going on here? Ford Giotto 26s on 40-inch Furies. Is this on like an any level or something? It is an any level. Okay, just not in the details. Had to get through the pictures. Horn blaster, dual compressor, 5-gallon tank. It's got a bigger fuel cell in it. Road armor, front and rear bumpers, headache rack, wheel lights, 36 rock lights, custom built head and tail lights. Looks like we got 4 10s in the custom box inside. Starlight headliner, Gen Y hitch, and the entire thing is ceramic coating, even in the frame. So it looks like this was probably a frame off build. You can see the train horn here is all painted to match.
I hate train horns, bro. I hate them.
Basically everything on here has been color matched. To me, this is sick. Yeah, a lot going on. No interior pictures, unfortunately. Nothing under the hood.
The effort is crazy. He probably has everything just decked.
To go as far as painting the frame and ceramic coating it, there's an attention to detail there that I would imagine is on the inside as well.
Yeah.
What do you think? What are your thoughts? This one you can lower and drive around, right?
Yeah. I wouldn't have it lifted up as high personally, but since you can adjust it, you know, I won't dock any points for that. The powder coat, the match like covers on everything, I think is super dope. I always love having like the hitch in the back, the Gen Y hitch especially. It's tough. It's super tough.
Absolutely.
The Ford Giotto wheels are tough. I give this one an 8 out of 10. I'm a big fan of this. Yeah, I mean, you just got to respect the effort, honestly. Look at just how much stuff is in here.
I'm also going to go with an 8. I'd like to see some color match in the mirrors, personally. I get it. Mirrors suck, especially like rock chips and bugs. But the fact that it's got stock exhaust pains me, and I'm docking a point for that.
That is kind of crazy, yeah.
All right, last one.
Last one.
PM Breen's 2020 GMC Sierra. So this is Plan B fab lifted greater than 12 inches, ruthless forged, 30 by 16s, and 42 16.5 Fury off-road country hunters. So this is actually Patrick that used to work here. This was his build a couple years back. Full Super Duty axles, everything was frame off built. The frame is actually color matched to the body. This truck was absolutely rowdy I've seen it in person. I mean, I don't even know. I can read this through paint to match headlights, clear fender lights, paint to match fender flares, grill emblem, chrome hood, steel mirrors, one off, paint to match 20-inch triangulated 4-link trailing arm straight axle conversion.
It's a mouthful.
Yeah, custom overlays. They're actually mirror stainless overlays, and then gray on both sides of the suspension, so inside and outside. The truck was absolutely ridiculous. I know how much he spent building this truck, and my house was cheaper. So
It's crazy.
this truck was absolutely insane, and I wish Patrick kept things longer than he does, because this truck was absolutely beautiful, and he had it for like a year. Now, he doesn't have any of the interior details, but I know there was stuff done on the inside, so I'm going to factor that into my rating. But what do you think?
I like it. It's just pretty clean. Once again, like, I'm not that crazy about the super lift like that, but I mean,
But 20 inches of lift.
yeah, exactly. It's like, how do you even get into that?
I wish there was a picture of someone standing next to it, because I cleared the fender. Bro, like, I could walk right into it.
I mean, it has a lot of effort like the last one. Like, having the frame color match to the truck, that's super dope. I
Yeah.
respect that.
Full polished exhaust, polished
Yeah.
fuel tank, all of that.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely like not as loud as the last one was in terms of the styling.
Yeah, yeah.
But at least for me, I think the lift is too much for my opinion, but I also give this one an 8 out of 10. I like this. I think it's like, it's dope.
A lot of
It's
eights.
solid.
So nothing you really, really liked.
No, but yeah, I also keep in mind, like, I'm not really a truck person, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
like, for me, the stuff I really, really like is probably way less intricate than this.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm going 9.5. We've never given a 10.
okay, good.
So like, this is about as close as it gets. Maybe it'd be a 10 if he still had it, Patrick. I'm sending this video to him when it's done, just so you know.
Put him on blast. Let him know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get him in here for one of these. We're gonna rate trucks with Patrick. That wraps up this episode of From the Gallery. So you guys know what to do. If you want to see your trucks rated, drop a comment in the comment section with a link to your gallery ad, and we'll get it added to one of these and tell you what we think, unfiltered.
Uncut. No, probably cut, but unfiltered.
You're editing it. You can just no, don't cut it. Peace.